Hi, Peter here from Genuine University. In the Making Money Doing What You Love mini video series, we're continuing talking about growth challenges today and just how they can help you to get on purpose. So just going through the diagram once again, we've got a green dot at the top, which is your purpose. And if you're headed directly toward that, that's heaven. If you're heading away from it, that's hell. And at some point, you're going to go beyond the form of how your purpose is meant to be manifest in your life. And you're going to do something which will take you kind of off track if you go past this Peter's purpose perpendicular point. Then if you're very lucky, what will happen is you'll end up experiencing some growth challenges. So I gave the example in the last video from yesterday that if you have a fear of public speaking and that's really difficult for you, but then you get a chance to do some public speaking which is really going to further your purpose quite dramatically, then public speaking could be a growth challenge. And we recognize a growth challenge through these criteria. A growth challenge tends to excite you. So if you're excited about the public speaking, then, and also a little bit scared, then that may mean that in fact it is a growth challenge. And these are not definite scientific, hard and fast things. We're dealing with our own subjective reality, and we're trying to apply a method to help us navigate that in the outside world, right? So if it feels exciting and a bit scary, then there's a good chance that it's a growth challenge. If when you overcome the challenge itself tends to dissolve, then in hindsight, it was probably a growth challenge. If the challenges get bigger and bigger as you go along, that's also a sign that it is a growth challenge. And if the challenges help you to grow and empower yourself as a person, then you've got a growth challenge. So if it excites you and when you overcome it, it tends to dissolve, but then you get bigger and bigger challenges which are helping you to grow and empower yourself, then you've got growth challenges. So if your purpose feels a little bit lackluster or your life feels like it's not that fulfilling, you might want to look for what's going to help you to grow as a person, no matter if it scares you. Pay attention to whether the excitement is more than the fear. That's what's really important when identifying a growth challenge. So we're going to talk about another type of challenge in the next two videos, which are resistance challenges, which is what a lot of people get really caught up in, and they're really pretty nasty beasts. So we'll help you to avoid those as well. So keep coming back to these videos about growth challenges and resistance challenges, because I find personally that they are so helpful just to look at purpose direction in terms of growth challenge and resistance challenges.